Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a circular grid, and how to create HFG lettermark logo. It is going to be so helpful for you, so let's get started. First of all, take the ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Select the circle, go to Edit, Copy, again go to the Edit, and paste in front, and then scale it down. Select both circle, go to the Object, Blend option, Specified Steps, and set the steps number 12. Then again go to the Object, Blend, and click on Make. Now select all the circle, go to the Object, Expand, and just uncheck the stroke, and click OK. That's great. Now select all the circle, copy it to the right and place it just like me. Again copy it to the down and place it here. To make copy just hold Alt and drag from the keyboard. Now select all the line, take the Shape Builder tool, swap it from stroke to fill, and start drawing on it. First we will draw letter H. As you can see, we merge a lot of line, so your computer machine takes some time to convert them together. Now we will draw letter F. And lastly we will draw letter G. Do it very carefully so that no line can be overlapped. Now zoom in a bit, and merge the small part. For the video purpose, we make faster this part. As I said before, do it very carefully, and take some time to do it. Okay, that's great, our merging part is completed. Now take the Direct Selection tool, and select this three-letter together. Go to the Edit, Cut, and delete the unusual part from the artboard. Again go to Edit and paste in front. Okay, our logo is ready. With this method you can create your own logo. Now select the logo, go to the Object, Path, Offset Path, and set the number 1 points here. And then unite all the shape together from the Pathfinder tool. Now let's color it. So this is the final look of our logo. Now let's give some practice based on it. Make the grid what I have shown you in this video, and make some unique letter logo by your own and post it on our Facebook group with the hashtag #VecPlus. I will review it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like. See you in the very next video. Have a great day.